That's my creepy cat. Just wants to lick the floor. He just wants to lick the floor for some reason. There's something there that he wants to lick. It's creepy. He wants to lick something.
Come on, stop, please. It's embarrassing.
What are you licking? What are you licking?
See? I told you so. No, you said wet shirt don't break, not piss shirt bend bar.
Now he wants to lay on his spit. Then he wants to continue licking.